Okay, so welcome to this fifth in a series of tutorials introducing you to the basics of using Google Drive. In this video we're going to focus on the upload feature of Google Drive, which essentially allows you to use Drive as well a drive. You may be familiar with Dropbox, which is kind of an online cloud storage service. This works in a very similar way, so you can upload files into your Google Drive area and they can be stored there for safekeeping. And it's also possible with some kinds of document to convert them into Google Docs documents so that you can actually edit them in Drive. So you've got, with Google Drive, you have 15 gigs worth of space, and that covers what you've got in Drive and also in your Gmail account if you use it. And it's very simple to get your files into Drive. You just click the upload button there, go to files, and then choose the file that I want to upload. So I might want to do Key Stage 3 ICT. Let's just load that, and a box comes up, and see how quickly that did that. And there you can see I've got a document appeared, and it looks slightly different to the other word processing documents, and that's because I've uploaded it as a Word file. Okay, I haven't tried to convert it into a Google Docs file, and that's why the icon's slightly different. So if I was to open this document up, I would not get something that I could work with. I can view it, and I can look at it, and I can even print it, but what I can't do is actually edit the document. So what I would need to do, if I wanted to do something where I could edit the document, I would need to try and convert it, and obviously not all types of document can be converted, so you are restricted really, I think, to using Word, PowerPoint and Excel. So if I click Settings, and you can also get to that via the settings bar up here, upload settings, I can have it so it will do convert uploaded files to Google Docs. So conversion is on now, and if I click settings I can also ask it to confirm, and I think that's a useful feature to have. So if I try and upload the same document again, files, and let's just go and choose same document again, Key Stage 3 ICT, and it's giving me like a thing I can check. I click start upload, and this time you can see this document has been converted into a Google Docs document. So if I open it, what I've now got is something that I can edit. Now, one thing I've already noticed is that it doesn't look quite the same. I had some ticks in there that Google Docs hasn't been able to convert, and sometimes, particularly with images and tables and things, the conversion doesn't quite work exactly right. So you might find that you end up with a document that's not exactly the same. I think conversion tends to work best with mainly text-based documents. So it's not a completely flawless process, but it's pretty good if you've got a lengthy Word document and you want to store that safely in Drive. So that's that. And obviously any document that you upload, you can also share that as well if you want to, in the same way that you have before. You can also download a file as well. In fact, you can download any of your files. So if I was to go to Google Drive, no, let's do it with this one. If I was to go to right click on that, click download, and then it gives me an option of how I can what the format I want. So I can actually turn it from Google Docs into Microsoft Word, okay, with a limit of kind of 2 gig. So I can get files easily in and out of Google Drive. So it'd be very straightforward. If you had a piece of work that you had done in Word or PowerPoint or anything, in fact, in a piece of graphics, you could upload it in school into Drive and then easily download it again at home. So uploading is an extremely useful feature of Google Drive. Remember, my tip is to make sure that you check very carefully the upload settings. I don't tend to have the convert option selected, but have whatever works for you.